In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This simple feature can greatly enhance the usability of your spreadsheet, especially when you need to ensure that data is entered consistently or within predefined options. Let's dive right into the steps. First, start by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily start a new spreadsheet by going to Google Sheets and clicking the plus icon to create a blank sheet. Once you're in, visualize where that drop-down menu will be most useful. This might be for a column such as status in a project management sheet or department in a company roster. Next, select the specific cell where you want your drop-down list to appear. Just click on the cell, and it will be highlighted, ready for the next steps. Now, navigate to the top menu and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for is data validation. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens for creating your drop-down list. You'll see an Add Rule button. Click it to start defining your list criteria. Afterward, in the Criteria field, there will be a drop-down menu that you'll need to click. From the available options, choose Drop-down from a range. This step is essential because it ties the choices in your drop-down to a specific set of data. Now, it's time to select the data range. This data range is the list of values that you want available in your drop-down menu. If your list is in another sheet or part of your current one, navigate over and highlight that list. Make sure you've selected all the entries you wish to include in your drop-down. Once you've highlighted your desired list, if you need to, simply click OK to confirm your selection. This action will ensure that those values populate your drop-down menu. Lastly, a crucial step is clicking Done in the data validation settings to save all your changes. Now, go back to the initial cell where you've set the drop-down and give it a click. You should see a small arrow indication revealing the drop-down list you've just created. Click it and voila! Your choices from the original list are now available for selection right there in the cell. And there you have it, folks. A straightforward way to incorporate a drop-down list into your Google Sheets, which can be really handy in maintaining data accuracy and simplifying data entry for your team. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Sheets efficiently.